Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from T-Mobile phone 6 Pro to an Android device. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both smartphones and tapping on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow on both smartphones. Then select Receive on an Android one at the bottom, next to Send and History, and Send at the bottom left corner of your T-Mobile phone. From here, tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you're ready, click on Send here. This way you will choose all of them and then send them. It will take a lot of time though to do it now, so I will go with this one photo. Choose Send over here, and then click on Get It in the pop-up. Now choose No Thanks or Yes I Agree on your Android and tap on Close this window. From here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on an Android next to Input key, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, or we can input this key over here instead and connect using Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!